Hello everyone, hope you all are having a great day. Today we are going to cover telephonic phrasal verbs commonly used in English along with their meanings and examples. So number one is hang up. That means to end a phone call by putting the receiver down or disconnecting the call. Example, she was angry and abruptly hung up the phone. Number two, pick up. That means to answer or take a phone call. Example, I called my friend but she didn't pick up the phone. Third, call back. That means to return a phone call to someone who has previously called you. Example, I missed his call, so I will call him back later. Number four, put on hold. That means to temporarily place a caller in a waiting state during a phone call. Example, the customer service representative put me on hold while checking my account details. Number fifth, get through. That means to successfully establish a connection or contact with someone on the other end of the line. Example, after several attempts, I finally got through to the IT department. Ring off. That means to end a phone call by the caller hanging up. Example, she said goodbye and rang off. Number 7, dial in. That means to enter a phone number using the telephone keypad to make a call or join a conference call. Example, dial in the conference number followed by the access code. Number 8, ring up. That means to take a phone call or dial a number. Example, I'll ring up the restaurant and make a reservation for tonight. 9th, speak up. To speak louder or more clearly during a phone call to ensure that the other person can hear you. Example, I couldn't hear her well, so I asked her to speak up. 10th, hold on. To wait for a moment during a phone call, often to be connected to another person or retrieve information. Example, hold on a moment, I will transfer your call to the appropriate department. 11th, cut off. To abruptly end a phone call due to a lost connection or intentional disconnection. Example, we were in the middle of a conversation when the call got cut off. Number 12, pass through. To connect someone to another person or transfer a call. I'll pass you through to the manager. Please wait for a moment. Number 13th, get off the line. That means to end a conversation or phone call. Example, we finished discussing the project and got off the line. Number 14th, break up. To experience poor or interrupted audio during a phone call due to a weak signal or technical issues. The call quality was bad and the conversation kept breaking up. Number 5th, hang on. Hang on, that means to wait for a short period during a phone call. Hang on for a moment, I'll be right back with the information you requested. So hang on, hold on, put on can be used interchangeably. So this was all about this video. Stay tuned until the next. Bye-bye.